What's good, YouTube? What is good? I got a surprise for you guys today. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. Been going through a lot, man. God is just, testing me. And I guess I'm testing myself. So, you guys know, man, I'm trying to get myself to trucking school. Been working 2 jobs, 20 hours a day. I've been really pushing my body, my sanity. And it's been really tough, man. But at the end of the day, I can't be broken. Only I can stop that dream. Financially, raising a family, just trying to maintain. You get yourself in a ditch sometimes, man. You get yourself in predicaments you didn't predict. And you got setbacks. Growing up, we sort of thought that being on a trajectory of winning is just straight up. But as you get older, as you start reaching late in your 30s, you realize that there is no such thing. There's up and downs. That's what life's about. So I'm on a down right now, and it was really tough, man. It was really frustrating. And hopefully, in the coming weeks, I can explain to you guys exactly what I was going through. All right? But right now, I can't be transparent. The pain just hurts too much, guys. It just hurts too much. All right? It's nothing serious. Everybody's fine. I'm fine. My whole family's fine. It's just I'm so ambitious and I care about progress so much. Any setback hurts. Hurts. And right now, financial setbacks really hurt. But I'm still on this grind. I'm still pushing forward, and I will get in that semi. Trust and believe you me. But now that I got that out the way, I got a nice surprise for you guys. But first, I want to give a huge shout out to my beautiful wife. She has always been my rock, always been my #1 supporter, always been right behind me, man, standing by me, no matter how dumb I get, no matter how ignorant I get, no matter how big-headed I get. She's always there. She's always there to love me and support me. So she watched the last video and heard that I was really needing of a drone. Now, I didn't expect her to get this type of drone, but she got me a drone, guys. She took her hard-earned money and invested in her husband again. There's been many investments in our 14-year marriage, and here comes another one. All right. You guys know I'm very passionate about my YouTube. I think I got like 1,400 videos. You don't get to that point without passion, without ambition, without hustle. She has now have taken my passion and hustle one step further. All right. So yes, man, we do have a new member to the family, and I want to introduce you guys to this new member. No, I'm not gonna cry. I feel like crying, but I'm not gonna cry to y'all, man. Y'all don't need to see Big Blaze crying out here, man. And also, shout out to all my kids too. They've been suffering lately as I've been working 20 hours. They're not used to me being gone that much. So at the end of this video, I will be explaining how my life is just making a little balance change. All right. I would like to introduce you guys to Oscar. This is the DJI MINI 3. This is a very, very sophisticated video recording drone. All right. Shout out to my beautiful wife for going out her way to do the research to find something that I could use to make great content. So in this video, I will be doing the unboxing of this. I will be taking it out for a first flight, and hoping to God I don't fly Oscar into a ditch. All right. This is a lot of pressure, as this drone is a big investment, and I do plan on trying to extract money from this drone. Not just by doing YouTube content for my channel, but I got some ideas in the works, and we're going to get working on those ideas. But first, the boy got to learn how to fly this joint, and the boy got to put out content just to see if I even know what I'm doing. All right. It's a big commitment. It's a strong commitment. And without my wife, I was months away from even thinking about something like this. Shelby, thank you. I appreciate you. I love you dearly. Let's continue to push forward. Let's strengthen our bond. Let's make great memories for our family. And even though I haven't been the greatest husband lately, you always there to support me. And when I say not the greatest husband, I simply just been so focused on work. I forgot about the principles that built my family to where it is today. And it's on love and it's on togetherness. And as I was chasing that money, I lost that. I lost the thought of it. I just was focused and so tunnel vision. It's part of what made me the man that I am today, man. 100% or nothing. But as I realized, 100% or nothing isn't good in all situations. And in these situations, you got to find balance. So that's what my focus is today. And from this day forward, is just to find balance and try my best to give my family what they deserve. And what they deserve clearly is me. As the father and the head honcho of this family, a lot riding on my shoulders. And I got to keep that in mind as I chase this dollar. But don't get it twisted. I'm still hungry. I'm still going to chase that money. But I can't chase it as hard as I did before. I can't chase it with the disregard of how much I've been gone. I got to get to truck school, y'all. I got to get to truck school. And I want you guys to see the grind and go through everything with me. As much as I can physically give to you guys, I will give it. But right now, this is all about Oscar, man. So let's get this transparency about this drone. Let's open it up. Let's see what Oscar's looking like. And yeah, I'm gonna upload this video and I hope you guys really appreciate it, man. Listen, man, drop a like on this video. Hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Live out here, man. And we continue in the grind. I know I ain't been on video games lately. I do miss art tremendously. And as much as I want to play it, the commitment that game takes, I just can't. Right now, is working 2 jobs with balancing time for my family. Bruh, if you think I can pick up a controller right now, you're out of your mind. But let's go, man. Let's get this box open and done. So this is going to be kind of hard to do as I'm trying to use my cell phone and use this knife to cut this box open. So bear with me, guys. But we're going to bring Oscar into life. He's been in this box for God knows how long. And I know he wants to be released. All right. And I'm here to release him. I'm here to show you guys what the DJI can really do. And this is no God drone. This is, if I was to add the tiers of 1 through 5, this is on like tier 2. All right. The DJI 2 is probably the tier 1, right? And DJI 3 is probably on tier 2. Then it's the DJI MINI Pro, which is like tier 3.5, tier 4-ish, depending on how you look at it. And then you got the Airs, which is the mid drones. And then you got the Air Pros, right? So they get up in levels, and hopefully one day as the finances get better and I take care of all what I got to take care of, I can somewhat fly one of those, man. I've been up all night once she showed me what she had ordered, and I've been studying. So the cool thing about this drone is, guys, is that it's under the legal limit that you need to have a drone pilot license. Yes, in the country of Canada, there's a lot of rules with these drones, and I've been up all night studying them. Once I saw the fines that you can get for flying these things, you best believe I had to see what the rules were. Because on my way to truck school, bro, I can't afford no fines, bro. I can't afford no mistakes. I got to grind and save and just try to get all my situations under control. All right. So let me rip this joint open. This is Oscar's first day into the world. I just had a shower, guys, so I'm a little ashy. Who cares? Judge me if you want to. I'm the one that's about to fly this, and I don't really care how nobody feel about me right now, bro. Except for my family, man. All right. So what I mean by it's under the legal limit, anything under 250, you don't need a drone pilot license. Anything over 250, you need a drone pilot license. So with the battery intact, this thing is $249, man. 249 grams, right under the limit. And yeah, we chilling. So let me get this open so I can show you guys exactly what it looked like. I can't do this with one hand. All right, guys, crack the seal. Let's see what she looking like. Very nice box. Everything is neatly packed. Shout out to the Amazon driver or whoever she ordered it from. I'm not even sure who she ordered it from, if it's from DJI or Amazon. Shout out to the driver, though, for driving correctly and getting this drone to us. So this is my first touching of Oscar, all wrapped in the packet. Let's get this ripped open. Let's get this out of the bag, man. Oscar, man. Oscar, what's good, bro? What's good, man? Welcome. Welcome to the family, G. Welcome to the family. Oof. All right, let's get this dumb packet out of here. And here we go, boys and girls. This is Oscar, the DJI MINI 3. I did the research on this thing. This thing is incredible for my first drone. I'm very privileged to even have this. There's a lower quality drone that I probably could have had before this, but you know, my wife always goes far and beyond as far as she can go, and I'm very grateful. So this back piece right here is where you put the memory card, and I think that's where you charge that drone, but I still got to do a little bit more understanding because I did a lot of research on all of the drones instead of just focusing on this one. All right, so this is the gimbal, this is the camera, this is the protection. You put this on when you're not flying. This comes off, and this is the camera, man. This camera is very delicate. You can get little screens for it to change the coloring of how you fly it. You can change the wings, different colors as well. But obviously, you know, financially, I'm not trying to spend too much bread right now, so we gonna keep it simple. The only thing I wish I had was more batteries, man. I only have one battery, and the flight time for this battery will be about 25 minutes. All right, so that's not a lot of flight time. That's not a lot of time to really get used to this thing, but what can I say? Beggars can't be choosers. All right, so I'm gonna open this girl up, show you what she looking like in my hand, and show you what the wings is looking like all the way out. So here she he goes, man. Here go Oscar with all his wings out. This is incredibly light, man. If you get hit in your head with this, you'll be all right. But I definitely won't be flying this into no trees or into no crazy areas right now, because at the end of the day, you don't want to lose this thing, man. So the case is off. As you guys can see, here's the camera. You can shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is just what my computer can handle, or even edited this joint on the iPhone. Not really sure. Here is the battery pack. You press these two buttons right here to pull the battery out of its slot. And it comes with a nice little battery setup of 3 batteries, so you can have an 1.5 hour flight time. Obviously that will be the goal, but right now I just got one battery and I got to make great use of it. This drone is going to take a lot of updates, and just, I got to get Oscar ready for this first flight. Now, it is getting a little dark outside. It is a little bit late in the day, so I'm going to try to hurry up and get this update done, and maybe I can do the first flight today and get that video out to you guys so I can show you guys exactly what this joint is looking like. But listen, the camera angles that I'm going to give you about this channel, the ideas that I have cooking in my head, you guys are going to be blown away, man. I'm really like that as far as my creator status, and this is just fueling it even more. All right, so let's put Oscar down. Let's move this case, this plastic out of here, and we're gonna go look at the controller. So there's 2 types of controllers for this drone. There's one where you use your cell phone with the controller, and I'm so happy she didn't get that one for me. But I've been doing the research, and they saying that one's not too bad. It actually has better antennas, and you can have a longer range. I don't know how true that is, but I am grateful for this controller with the screen on it. This controller is actually the most updated controller you can get. It's the best controller that you can get. I guess she had to pay a little extra to get this controller, so I'm grateful. I'm not complaining. All this stuff has to be charged up, updated, and whatnot before I can fly. But let's see what she's looking like. Hold on, let me pull this off real quick. And there she goes, man. This controller feels super heavy. These are the sticks. These little 2 sticks right here. You pull those out the back and you screw those in to the joystick, little screw things right there. It's the power button. You got sport mode, normal mode, and cinematic mode, I think. This is the home button. Yes, there's a home button, as in when you losing power or whatever, you can just press that button and that drone gonna fly right back to where you started at, man. It keeps its home GPS. Here's a couple charging ports. I think this is how you charge the controller. Here's the record button. Here is the picture button. And then you have these buttons at the back, which you can reprogram and add different accessories. It's pretty crazy. And here is the dials to zoom in and out, to move the camera, and the other dial to put the camera up and down as well. So this is very sophisticated stuff. I'm stoked. Can't wait to get this boy in the air, man. I'm gonna end this video probably here, now that the unboxing is pretty much done. We do have some more stuff to show you, I guess. It does come with what is this? Probably the charger cable or something. Let's see what's in this box, guys. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's not easy. Oh, we got extra propellers. These are gonna come in handy, you know, flying this thing. These things are a little plastic joint, so they can break probably really easy. I'm probably gonna need some extra propellers, to be honest. This is very handy stuff. What else is in here? Let's see, empty this box out. There we go. Bunch of stickers. What is this? Oh, this is the screwdriver to take the propellers off and change them. Nice little screwdriver right there. And here is the charger cable. It's the same charger cable as my iPhone 6 Max Pro, so that's pretty cool. I'll be able to, you know, use this charging cable to charge up and get the stuff all charged up. And here is a bunch of manuals and stickers and stuff. Nothing too crazy, you know. I'll be going through all this, learning about it. Especially these 2 right here is the manuals, the rules, guidelines and stuff. But yeah, man, this is everything. This is the whole setup. Again, shout out to Shelby, man. She's a super wife for getting me Oscar, spending her hard-earned money to invest in my YouTube channel, man. This is going to be absolutely incredible. This camera is nuts. Yo, Oscar, what's good? What's good, my boy? All right, without further ado, I'm going to get this charged up, get this updated, and hopefully bring you guys the next flight. So I'm definitely in a great mood right now, a better mood than I've been in the past couple of days, and hopefully I can continue this and keep, you know, grinding and pushing forward, man. I'm going to go update this, try to get outside before the weather goes down and get Oscar in the air, man. It's going to be a fun flight. Let's go. It's your boy Live. Don't forget to drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And hey, man, if you really truly care about me and this channel, don't forget to leave a comment, giving Shelby all the love in the comment section and giving me any love that you got for me. It's your boy Live. Gone.